Sometimes what you need is something simple. Sometimes it something it's a life improvement like this. I have these bars of soap that I use. They're square. They're about 3 inches. And they kind of don't fit a normal soap dish. So today's episode, we're gonna resolve that. We are gonna start by creating something that will hold them. I'm not gonna tell you what brand it is because it's not sponsored by this. So whatever. Okay. Anyway, so this is the problem. Either I put it on a shelf and it gets soap scum everywhere, or I make something to put it on. So we're going to do the latter. And we're going to create something to put that soap on with that. So this one here is a failure. What happened is it doesn't sit very flat, and some of the edges are a little bit distorted from the support material. So this really doesn't work, and you can see the wear lines fairly bad. Oh, by the way, I really like this purple. It's a really nice purple. This one too, it bows in the middle, where there really probably should be some extra support underneath. So this one kind of failed on me, but as far as proportion goes and everything else, seems to work fairly well, and those all sit together quite nicely. So that's a failure. The next attempt that you see, I should stop now. So let's go ahead and make those corrections. I should be saying, I'm not going to be. Okay, let's take a look at the final product. I think I need to work on my supports, but I think this will do for my purposes, even though it is a little curled. So I think really comes down to supports in this case for the printer. And this, it's just this one piece. The other piece is fine. Excuse me. I think the ridges on the back side really do help support the material or the piece, make it a little bit stronger. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. At the end of the day, it's gonna be fine, even though it's a little warped. But well, I can live with that in this case. If I were to sell this, I'd improve my supports so it doesn't curl like this, because I don't think this would be an acceptable product to give to somebody. Alright, with that said, I am going to live with the curl, and I'm okay with it. Everything fits together just fine, despite the disaster of the curl. Alright, the other piece looks good, so I'm happy with that. They connect well together, and it should serve its purpose reasonably well. The goal ultimately is to prevent soap scum from building up on the tile that we'll be sitting on, and it holds the soap just fine. So this should work pretty good. Alright, with that, I'm going to start wrapping things up. I do like this color, and I do like the material. Actually, it was really easy to print on the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro Mono. And yeah, I'll be definitely using this color more in the future. There's the product. I've never heard of the company, but the product is pretty good. Alright, with that, I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll catch you in the next one. Alright, bye guys.